Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the scheduled cleaning in the NARWAL Freo X Ultra. First set up on your robot application, then go to the schedule and click on the plus. Now we can select the start time and the date. If you want to select more days, just tap on it, and we can select the repeat every 1 week, for example, or if you want to change the frequency, just select more days in the week. Then just go back. There we have the date daily. We can also customize the cleaning area in modes, so just tap on it and we can select the room, for example, and select the customized settings for single room, like for the room the only vacuum 2 times, the strong, and it's okay. So click on the save, then we can select the other room, just tap on the second room in your house, then you can select the vacuum dead mop, for example, and the quiet. Then tap on the save, we have the customized settings for each room, then tap on the complete, and we have new scheduled cleaning. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.